The days for AI agent is here, and you can hear Jensen Huang talking about how AI field is going to evolve in coming days.
Different than how Windows made it possible for us to create personal computers. Now OpenCL has made it possible for us to create personal agents. This is enterprise IT before OpenCL. You know, and I mentioned earlier, the way enterprise IT works, and the reason why it's called data centers is because these large rooms, these large buildings held data, held the files of people, the structured data of business. It would pass through software that has tools and systems of records and all kinds of workflow that's codified into it, and that turns into tools that humans would use, digital workers would use. It's just that post-OpenCL, post-agentic, this is what it's going to look like. This is the extraordinary part. Every single IT company, every SaaS company will become a gas company. No question about it. Every single SaaS company will become a gas company, an agentic as a service company. And what's amazing is this, OpenCL gave the industry exactly what it needed at exactly the time. There's just one catch. Agentic systems in the corporate network can have access to sensitive information, it can execute code, and it can communicate externally. Just say that out loud, okay? Think about it. Access sensitive information, execute code, communicate externally. You could, of course, access employee information, access supply chain, access finance information, sensitive information, and send it out, communicate externally.
Yeah, there's a security issue.
This can't possibly be allowed.
Yes.
And so what we did was we worked with Peter. We took some of the world's best security and computing experts, and we worked with Peter to make OpenCL enterprise secure and enterprise private capable. And we call that...
there is a security mechanism around.
This is our NVIDIA OpenCL reference for NemoCL, which is a reference for OpenCL, and it has all these agentic AI toolkits, and the first part of it is technology we call OpenCL that has now been integrated into OpenCL.
That's
now
important.
It's enterprise ready. This stack with a reference design we call NemoCL, okay? With a reference stack we call NemoCL, you could download it, play with it, and you could connect to it the policy engine of all of the SaaS companies in the world. And your policy engines are super important, super valuable.
That's
so
true.
The policy engines could be connected, NemoCL or OpenCL with OpenCL.
Kind of a
execute that policy engine. It has a network guardrail. It has a privacy router, and as a result, we could protect and keep the clause from executing inside our company and do it safely.
This newer aspect, which is making more secure to use AI agents. So once upon a time it was little. It's very scary. You don't know where your data is going. Companies were interested in using agents, but they were shit scared of their data privacy. And I think NVIDIA is addressed that issue, and this is going to open up the plethora of opportunities for good number of agents, like whether you are creating AI agent for branding or identity creation or just checking your consistency of advertisement. So AI agents are going to play a huge role in coming days, and of course NVIDIA is going to provide that protection layer wherein you can protect your data, your sensitive information in your own hardware, or there will be layer of controlling mechanism. Nothing will be exposed to the external world. There is a kind of agents which policing your data. This is going to open up a newer frontier for AI agents and newer possibilities for using AI in coming days.